how to record system or mic audio with Audacity. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use system or mic audio, record system or mic audio in Audacity. So first of all, you need to connect your microphone. You can connect your mic by plugging in appropriate port. In general, this means if you have a USB mic, then USB mic with 3.5 mm jack, plug it into a mic in port. And if you have an XLR mic, plug it into an XLR USB audio interface and the interface into the USB port. And after that, you have to select your microphone. As you can see from the audio setup, you have to click on the recording device and select the microphone you want to record, and then you have to click on recording channel and click on two stereo recording channels. And after that, you can test your settings and click on the microphone to start monitoring, and Audacity will display the microphone level in the recording meter. And please next make a text recording. To start recording your voice in Audacity, simply press the red record button. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.